Right, hello everybody. So on the news front, I think nothing much on the calendar today. Let me see if there's any last minute news updates. Looks like we just have German GDP news that is just out, but other than that should be clear for the time being. Do I watch XRP USD? Nope, I don't. So the 4-hour already formed resistance there. I'm looking to see if this candle wants to flip, but then I have not. This is no entry, not yet anyway. Hana, any thought on your chart? Let me see.
Morning, good morning.
Hey, morning. Have you not gone to sleep again? Yeah, Hana, I might need some words because I don't know what you're trying to take here. So I see the zones, but I don't know whether you're trying to go short or long. So let me know. We put some words inside the chart. Why is my bias bearish? Because so right now the 4-hour, this candle here formed resistance, a 4-hour resistance over after respecting the support. So I'm just watching to see if it holds this zone. If it doesn't hold, then yeah, obviously the bias will be out the window. But so far now, price isn't breaking yet. So if it breaks above, then yeah, obviously we'll trade to the highs over here. But right now, nothing yet. So I'm still short bias for the time being. Is it bad that the 4-hour didn't make a bottom wick? No, if you're trying to go short, then you don't want the bottom wick first. You want the top wick. So it should go up first, then come down. If it's a better short trade. So this pullback is deep. So far it hasn't broken the previous wick highs and it hasn't broken my zone. So I'm still watching it. So if you're not sure about this trade here, oh no, Bikram, no more music anymore. I got copyrighted twice, so it's not funny anymore. I think the third time I might get banned. So I was following all the rules. I was following all the copyright free music, and then I still got it. So no. So Hana, I don't know what this purple zone is. I think it's a higher time frame zone. So if it breaks above, then just trade a retest, right? So break below. Let me know what these zones are, because right now, like if you look at my chart, I have different zones for different time frames. So it might help you on the lower time frame if you know what time frame the zone is, because the higher the time frame, the stronger the zone. So Hana, if you look at this person Wes's chart, right? So he has two ideas. He will buy above this area, which is the previous resistance, and then sell below this area. That's all you have to look out for. Yeah, TS, I tried non-copyrighted music and then I still got it. So sometimes you gotta, they say it's non-copyrighted, but then after that they copyright it and then you wouldn't know. So no more music. Yeah, I got hit it 12 times by playing music last Friday, I think. So no, it's not funny anymore.
Were you playing music last Friday? I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, I didn't turn it on the Zoom because someone requested it on the YouTube since it was Friday, so I listened and then I got hit. So no more. Oops.
Everyone, my name is Matt, and I'm trying my...
So if the current fall respects the resistance and do not break it, then which candle and in which time frame will be the best confirm to take a sell? Right now, the safest definitely would have to be 30 and above, but I would watch for, so we have this minor support here. If you look at the 15, this area, same as the 30, this whole area here, going back, this whole area here is some kind of minor zone. So ideally you want it to hold this somewhere around this area, form resistance, and then come back down.
Al, did you try and draw the liquidity grab thing on this one?
Yeah, I drew it up on the 5 minute earlier. So if you look at the 5,
I mean, it's valid on other time frames as well. Do you prefer drawing up on 5 minutes? Is it?
no, it's the same thing. So the higher the time frame, right, the more solid the zone. It's just that the block will become bigger the higher the time frame you go. So look, for example, if you're drawing it on the 1 hour, right, your block would be this big. So if you look at it, price tapped into the area. So you can refine the block by going down to the lower time frame and looking for the most immediate block that appeared, which is this area here. So you see, it's essentially still the same area. Yeah. But I try not to go too low, because if I go on the 1 minute, I realize the blocks don't really hold that well. So I like the 5. So
what's your trade idea? I'm expecting it can create like maybe a good resistance on 139,400, or maybe if it comes below 150, then it will be a very clean sell.
Yeah, definitely this area is cleaner below 150. But I think if it forms some kind of resistance at this level here at 300, it could be possible for shorts as well. The 4-hour flips. So EJ and GJ are looking the same today. Let's see. Yeah, Matthias, so if you see this area here, right, there's some kind of support forming, which the 4-hour has closed as resistance. So you got to see if this candle flips on the lower time frame. So start watching the lower time frames, maybe the 30 or the 15. Watch for resistance to form. So it really tried forming on the 15. Maybe see if this 30-minute forms as well. Army boy, do you mind sending a chart? Because I don't trade NU. Sell at 139.360. Yeah, so Sherman, if you just shout out a price at me like that, right, I don't know what you're looking at. So that's what Morowa has said, right? Maybe show me your analysis and I'll tell you if it's a good to sell. Because right now there's nothing yet. It is.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Hello. Have you taken a trade?
Yeah, I took it on the lower time frame just now, just as a tester. But it's on the other strategy.
I took one. Had a win. 1 pip. I got out because it was at a strong 4-hour level. And I was, you know, wasn't sure it was gonna tap the top of the zone.
Yeah.
Price action is just not the best today.
Yeah, even the 4 hour hasn't flipped yet, so it's a bit dodgy. See, this 4 hour is still holding that previous resistance, but it hasn't flipped. Let's see. Ooh, GU is looking nice, Rico. So this area, I have it at 1335. So the wicks rejected to the area as well. So just watch out when price approaches it. Why is everyone sell bias when the trend is bullish? Who is everyone? Price is dancing. It's not doing anything.
Man, where's this volume been dreaming about?
Yeah, man.
Have yet to make a trade I'm proud of this week.
There hasn't been super clean moves. Except the one that you caught yesterday. The longs.
Oh, please just tell me it's just because it's end of the year.
Yeah, it is.
Oh man, I'm feeling gutted about yesterday.
It's okay if you spot it today. You can take it. I think we gotta wait for London to open. There's nothing now.
Yeah, we're here at the frontier together.
Even on the lower time frame, everything is just printing sideways. See, even on the 5, it's just sideways. So there's really nothing yet. But either way, if we look at the 5, let's say, because trend starts forming from the smaller time frames up, right? So if you just look at the 15, all this broke for a new low. So that's why I'm considering shorts. This area is lower than this area here. But then again, if anyone's bias is bullish, by all means trade your own idea. Do I only trade GJ? No, I trade GJ and GU, but I haven't been looking at GU. Because this area here is not the cleanest for me to trade. Am I on bias? Nope, no, nothing. And I'm short bias, by the way. But the risk is because the daily candle still has this clean candle here to fill for until 139,700, so it could go up to fill the area as well. So that's why I'm still just watching. I prefer GJ, yes. The fact that GJ and GU is not moving the same way is just bothering me. Usually they move the same. At least in London. Let's see. Yeah.
I think GJ is experiencing something called diminishing returns because of yesterday's volume.
Well, yesterday's volume wasn't a lot. It was... how much did it move yesterday?
Push was a lot for end of the year.
Let's see. Oh, it's a standard. It's the standard number of pips that it moves. 140 plus. So, normal behavior, I think. You know you've been trading a fast moving pair for a while when you say 140 is a standard move. Yeah, exactly. It's once you get used to that kind of volume and velocity, the other pairs look like snails to you. So Moonhu, I see this morning star that you're looking at, but to me, evening stars and morning stars have to form off some kind of support before they are strong enough. So this I think you're looking at this, but there's no support here. It's kind of floating off nowhere. This one maybe, but this one is a bit off, unless you have a zone here that I don't know about. This one is forming off this zone here. Shit. Here. And same thing for this. If you're talking about this so-called morning star, then just bet it. How come your name changed today, Alexi? No more Go experience. Hey Foy.
I want to take the 1 hour support, but imagine waiting 1 hour to get only like 10 pips.
Your computer died? Lexi.
Who, mine?
No,
Oh, no.
Lexi's computer. Or is it still turning on?
JJ might surprise us yet.
Morning, gang.
Hey, oh, you're early today, yes, yeah.
Yeah, I decided to get some sleep and get up.
Yeah, we haven't taken anything yet.
Yeah, I'm looking at it and see anything.
We
Yeah. Really? Who's taken anything?
I have 1 pip.
We're already out already.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if this breaks above, we're gonna look for longs. Simple. Hold the zone, I'm not trading long. But once it breaks above, then I'll be happy to trade it long. Is there a homework folder?
I got that reference.
Is that a schoolwork folder?
Sus.
Sus. Oh, he doesn't use this computer. Why is the screen not big enough for you? Or you need a smaller screen so that you can be discreet? Sus. The little emoticons that you're sending are so cute. They look like... Can you see my screen? They look like a ghost. It's like black and white on Zoom. This is Ace. This little fat boy is Ace.
Not far from the truth.
No, cannot. Asians have small eyes. You need to change the eyes.
How small?
I don't know. Tinier. But then again, my eyes are not that small. Jeffrey, I think you have asked about the London Open before. So like I mentioned again previously, if you forget, use Forex Factory. Yeah. So just remember, change the timing and then scroll all the way down. But London is opening in 20 minutes. So if you forget, this is another way. The top one's a baby, the second one's a normal adult, the third one's an Asian.
Definitely.
No, I didn't buy or sell. I don't know, Ryan. You wanna ask Monty what music he uses? I just don't like getting copyrighted anymore. Cause one more time and I think they'll do something to my channel. And I don't really want that to happen.
I think he uses like a radio channel. It's like YouTube approved.
Yeah, so there are certain channels, like you can play YouTube music for sure, but it's very troublesome because I need to keep going in to change it.
As best as just no music, just play your music.
Yeah, that's why.
Like lo-fi running in the background.
I had to fight all 12 copyrights off. It's damn troublesome. How did I build up my confidence when it comes to trading? I think one way is backtesting for sure. So you can see how the patterns that you observe, how many times they are forming. And then when you see the pattern enough, just like how Ace saw the pattern yesterday on the 1 hour chart, right? So if he sees it enough, one day he'll just be confident to put money on it. But to hasten that process, you got to do backtesting. So backtest on the simulator. So if you need it, it's in the Discord channel and it's free.
There's stages to it. Like the first time you see it, you're like, I don't know. Then you go through self-doubt. Then after that, you just miss it so many times. To finally, when you see it, you just jump in.
Yeah, exactly. You just gotta see it enough. It's just patterns in the market with a backtest site. Yeah, Rico is inside the Discord under trading tools.
That 139.40, is that like, that's a 4 hourly, but I think it looks like a weekly resistance as well, doesn't it?
Let me see.
Weekly, I think there is.
Oops.
Previous.
This candle's here, right?
Oh, I can't see. Your thing's not showing yet. Okay, now it is. Yeah, there.
This one, right?
Yeah, the ones you pointed to. Yeah, so it looks like a weekly. It's at a weekly area as well. So it's sort of.
Yeah, but that if you are using this, oh my god. Okay, wait. Let me. This whole area is sus. Yeah. Strong level. Yeah, previous support, resistance, broke. It could look like a weekly fake out because the weekly is, it pushed up, closed bullish, then boom. I think this area is strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
that's why it's struggling around the area. Good, Jason. What's up with the arrow? You want me to go to another chart? My spread on GJ now is 1 pip. Pointing at wicks on the weekly. These wicks here? IC is cheaper in terms of spread. If it shows as 7 on your MetaTrader, means you have a 0.7 pip spread. Mine's like ranging between 0.8 to 1.1. It's just a range. The 15-minute looks like it's gonna close, rejecting that zone again. Where are you going, Wes? In the desert? Why are you in the desert?
I think I can hear some static, or like someone's outside.
From me?
I don't know, like near birds.
Birds? Okay, wait, let me mute.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's coming from you.
I don't hear birds. Oh wait, I hear it.
Well, like,
But
not
the
now,
bird is
but
really far though.
Oh yeah, I can hear it. There you go. Is it your bird?
I don't have a bird.
You don't have a bird.
We'll have. I'm living in the forest actually.
Treehouse.
Yeah. I'm in the treehouse. You get better reception in the treehouse. Means my mic is really sensitive.
Yes, I can hear it. I can hear it.
But it's not really loud, right?
No.
Looks like I like this rejection. So on this close, I want the 1 hour to, at least the 1 hour to be bearish. Because if not, then we might get pushed up by the 4 hour bullish candle. So right now the 30 minutes forming resistance. 1 hour potentially might flip bearish as well. Then we could come down. Yeah, I like this rejection here on the 30.
Let's get it.
Yeah, so I'm looking to stack my position because I'm in on the 5 from way earlier when I was calling it out to the Discord people.
Where was your entry?
139 322, so it was here, but it wasn't a fun ride at all. It was this area here.
Yeah,
It wasn't.
resistance.
Yeah, I was pulling back so hard, and then when I saw this candle close above, right, I was like, okay, I'm cutting first. Yeah, so I'm only left with half on it, but I'm gonna stack when this 30 closes. You see how it closes first.
Hello everyone.
Hello, sir.
How you guys doing?
Hello, Kitty.
Okay.
I am in sales.
Yeah, same.
Wow.
The pullback was really deep. I was in somewhere here and I pulled back some more. Then I thought, okay, It's fine, I'm gonna wait for the next one. So let me just show everyone. TP1 will be 220.
I entered at 390, sorry. 85. Around that area.
Oh, so high. 39.85.
Yeah, 385, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
It was like 5 minutes I was trying to get to the Zoom. But there was another link. It was saying this Zoom link is not.
You chose the wrong link, there's two.
Yeah, exactly. Then I realized like 5 minutes there. Why is it not working?
You didn't read. I put pictures, man.
Oh, I come from the gulag.
So Manish, you were asking where's my TP1, right? It's based on this 30-minute block, so 220. Because when I refined it lower, I see... Yeah, this area is a concern as well.
Aiming for 150.
150. Yeah, possible.
Hopefully the London Open would push it down.
But this is a very big stop for... Oh wait, it's not. I think it's about 15 pips stop if you want to trade it down.
Exactly, I'm going for 15.
So now if this 15 and 30 closes like this, right? You have an entry shot. So stop loss would be, for me, I will put it above my zone at 400. So I'm looking at a 15 to 18 pip stop. But again, I'll take it on the flip if I'm entering on the 15 or the 30.
Yeah, I wanted to pull back a little bit with the wick. There we go.
Yep.
As long as it doesn't close above that resistance over there.
Yeah.
Here.
Yep.
Yeah, it is a very risky range to play in.
Current 4 hour did not break previous bearish 4 hour high. And we don't have a bottom wick on the current 4 hours. Looking nice. Yeah, this could just be that pullback to head down. So that's why. You could still want to go and close nearer to the zone. So that's what I mentioned. This area here, I drew it up just now for those that were paying attention. This area here, it reacted to it. So that's why I'm just letting it go up first and then it will come down again. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty, are you there?
Yep.
Do you think it's gonna come back here?
Might do, but I don't see the volume, to be fair.
Yeah. I think it's gonna. This pullback might come into the area and then come down.
Up there it might do, yeah, but I don't think any higher than that.
Yeah. Then I'm not looking at higher, I'm just looking at this area. I think it's gonna come inside here. Which is good because then for those people that haven't got in shorts yet, right? Your stop loss will be smaller. Yeah, the 15 and the 30 hasn't closed yet, so Jess, you can't take any entries, not yet. So this one now, maybe there's a potential. But my stop would be above the wicks, just to be safe. So just size accordingly, because it looks like the stop is more than 10 pips. Getting a reaction at minor support resistance. Breaks the low of the previous one. Yeah, standardist looks valid. This 1 hour close is not going to be the best. I think it's still ranging.
Hello everyone, how you guys doing?
Hey.
Anyone had a trade yet?
Nope.
Some in the trade we did short.
How was yesterday, Alma? Were you able to catch a trade?
Yeah, I ended blue.
Nice. I think when it retraced the previous support, I'm thinking you probably cashed.
Yeah, I caught it going down, then after that up.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Wait, you counter traded?
Yeah, I counter traded yesterday for a quick move.
Risky.
But like 20 pips. It was on a different strategy, that's why. So I took a different, so I'm in short on this, but it's not on the strategy that Raja teaches. So that's why I didn't call it out, because people will be so confused. Plus I'm still testing, so.
Oh, okay. Wait, but you took it on live?
It's on my live account, yes. Because I'm moving to, so I've backtested it on demo already. Now I'm just trying it on live. Yeah, Martinis. So like I said, it's on something that I don't advise everyone take yet. That's why I didn't call it. Because right now you'll be in so much drawdown. If it breaks above, right? This is looking like yesterday. Look at that support. Break, retest as a wick, and then flies up.
This is a weird move, to be fair.
That looked nothing like yesterday.
Because it's not a 1 hour. If this pushed and then closed above, right, it will be so much better. But now it's not. So it's just going to keep trying to push in this area. There's no close yet. There's no longs even.
It's being very tricky today.
Yeah.
Being very sneaky.
There's no longs yet.
That I could have taken or someone else could have taken, and some people thought was sells, but it was not.
Where?
Like someone took sells from, what was it? I think it was like this level.
Oh my god. On Slack?
Yeah, on Slack.
Why would you sell here? Hasn't even reached the zone
I don't know,
yet.
like I would have fallen for it. It's like, mistakes you make really early on.
No, I know why he sold it. He or she sold it. Because if you look left, there's already some support there. Here. See? Let me draw up the box. This area here. Ta-da! That's why the person sold it. So when it closed, sold it. Yeah. You may start looking at the higher time frame zones, I guess.
Yeah. I just got a very easy method. If it starts from the bottom left and starts going to the top right of your screen, it's up. Vice versa.
This is just range now. This area. It's just range.
Only when you zoom out you can see it. You should be like buying this, should be like buying this, buying that, buying this.
Are you really laggy? Let me move it back for you.
Yeah, I think really laggy.
Yeah, it's okay.
Have you moved it back?
Yeah, I moved it back already.
Okay, out.
No, don't draw again. I moved it back already. You draw the whole screen will be full of arrows. in your chart has 15 minutes made a new lower low. Yes, it has. Very slight though. Here, see? Very, very slight. I guess that's why. Yes, I can see your charts. It's just that I was waiting for a trade. That's why I haven't looked at it. Don't worry. Broken is support here. Wait for retest. Yeah. Nasmi, this looks okay. My trade is still dancing. It's been dancing in this entire area for the last almost 1 hour. Boring. Your chart is weird, still higher low. Are you using FXCM? Yep. This one is 15 minute. Yeah, yours is higher. It's fine, just, I mean, use whatever chart that. This is actually closer to my broker. For now. So just use whatever charts that matches your broker. Like,
Yeah. How would you work on, you know, your confidence in, because you know how like I can analyze the charts, but the problem trusting myself when it comes to trading.
enter small first. When you start seeing like trades that you've seen a few times, right? Just start small risk first. That's the one. It's like you gotta push it sometimes. Because if you never enter, right, and then you keep watching the trade go, it doesn't, somehow it doesn't hit you yet. Because you're just watching it. Yeah. But start small, it's the same thing. Then slowly increase the risk after that to your normal size.
Okay, thanks.
$139,200. Let me see. Mikey, the password is awesome. Test to this area. I feel like, so Aero, I feel like if it breaks above, right? So yours is somewhere because you had a trend line, I think. Based on the 1 minute, is this. It's this trend line here. So I don't really use trend lines, but I see what you're seeing. So it could test and then go up, break above this high. It's possible as well. Right now it's just holding 400 for the time being. in Stunner, I think the what's that? The orange line is missing.
That trend line isn't really correct. So pretty much if I draw the trend line on that, it's kind of, it broke the trend line, you know, where the markings are, and you see the red candles.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's retesting that zone, and it should come down technically.
Where's your trend line? Yeah.
Oh no, I didn't draw. I stopped drawing trend lines.
Yeah, everyone could draw different trend lines and they would tell you different things. So if I drew it like this exactly, right? So this area here, then
like
it
this.
Yeah, it's gonna tell you to sell. Sell when you reach this area.
Yeah, so it broke. Now it's retesting, so it should come down.
Whereas for him, for Stunner, he's looking for buys when he reaches this area. So that's why I don't like trend lines. It's weird. I don't know. I never had really huge success with the trend lines. I don't think it's a dog in the background. I think it's the bird and the crow. Hang on, let me try and put some filters on. Yeah, now we're going.
Oh, got stopped out.
Same. This is weird. Anyway, this thing, 30-minute close above all the wicks, then we can go up.
Yeah, I think on higher time frames, GJ is just continuing. Ooh.
Yep, there we go.
Last minute entry.
Let the 15 close. How big is this? If you're anticipating the London volume to carry it, right? The next one will do a slight wick down and then you gotta enter to go up. It has to be a very quick entry, I think. Because the volume is in already. It's very obvious from this candle. Because the 15 closed above all the previous candles on the left. So it broke out.
Is it about to take off?
Yeah, that's why I said the next one will do a mini wick down and then it will fly. So you...
Are you gonna take this?
Let me see the stop. What's on the left? Hang on. Yeah, it's clean on the left. It cleared the wicks as well. So you'll be aiming for 700, I think, if you take the long.
Yeah.
Stop loss below the support here and below the zone, so probably around 330. But I'm waiting for the close.
You take it?
No, I'm waiting for the close.
On the 15, right?
because there's volume now. Because this is London Open. So if you're anticipating the volume, take the trade. If not, wait for the 30 to close. Yeah, so watch it. The flip is going to be quite fast, I think. Like yesterday. I'm watching for it to break the wick because I want it to break the previous wick on the 15 as well. So
Did it flip?
no, I'm waiting for, I need it to break the wick. See my screen? That's because price stopped right at that previous wick. So if it doesn't break the wick, right, it's not going up. It will dance first.
I put in a small entry on the flip.
Yeah, I'm still watching my broker's platform.
Because this engulfing candle did what all these couldn't.
Yeah, exactly.
So that was like a big signal for me.
Yeah, it's just like yesterday, right? It's just that yesterday's signal was on the 1 hour.
Yeah, for me, how I manage it is on the 5. If it comes back into the zone, I cut half.
Mm.
I don't know. I would prefer this 15-minute candle closes like a small bearish candle.
Like a what?
Like a small bearish candle where it's just like creating like a resistance, and then once the next 30-minute candle, like if it, let's say, breaks that resistance, then that would be my ideal.
Yeah, that's why I say if not comfortable taking the 15, don't take it. But I'm not in yet. I'm just I need it to break the wick. It's doing something funny now.
I think that's the
Here we go.
idea.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm in.
Same.
So my stop is below here. So
Voila.
700 is my first TP.
I'm too scared to like take trades on my phone.
Nah, his computer is down, that's why.
We'll give you signals. I think we're like a signal provider. Mini signal provider.
So there's this area here till 700 that is clean, and then the next area is above 700. So yeah, don't enter if you're not sure about the trade. Yeah, let the 30 close.
DJ played us a little bit.
Yeah, it's fine. My stop loss is below. Cause it was a 15-minute entry after all.
Yeah.
breaks this rejection, so that's 484. So
The 5 minute is there's a 5 minute resistance.
This was the first breakout, so I'm watching this 30. If this 30 closes above all these candles, it's a good sign for the longs.
Your stop loss under
Oh, sorry,
the
let me.
50 minute or the 30 minute, or is I mean
My entry is at 139,498. So half risk, cause it was a 15-minute entry, so just size down. Stop loss below at 33. 139,330. So in this 30-minute must close above. If it doesn't, then it's gonna come back into the range. Yeah, so if the 30 closes smaller, right, then I might stack my other half. $5.25. I don't have $5.25. I only have this wick at 480. That's why I entered long after price broke that wick and after the 15-minute closed. So you might have a different resistance. 5.25 because of your chart.
It's gonna play with us.
To the left
5
on
minute candle closed with no wick to the downside, but it's 5. I don't know.
Oh, 5 minute closed above the zone.
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
I think the current 5 minute needs to close strong. Oh yo, I think we
it's
go.
feeling a support on the 5 minute.
When the 5 minute breaks the previous 5 minute, I think we're good for longs.
Yeah.
Just chill, man. Because this is a strong zone. This was the first breakout, right? Out of this 4-hour / weekly zone. So it broke once, it needs to do a retest. So the retest usually comes on the smaller time frames. So like you guys said, put back. Oops, got another extra line. Put back, and then if it flips above that previous wick, right, then it should continue higher. At the same time, the 30-minute will close above all the bodies. So away we go. Moonhu, I saw that message 3 times, but I don't know what you mean by it's the same candle. Yeah, 5 minutes is weak confirmations, but if you're in a trade, right, and you want to see where to cut or if the trade is going to come back in, it will start breaking structure on the lower time frames. So that's what. So like for example, this area here that I entered, right, if it broke this support here, I would cut half immediately.
Nice.
Yeah, so.
But DJ.
Oh, that looks ripe.
There's 2 more minutes. Let this candle close on the 5.
Hey, that looks exactly like yesterday.
I told you just now. I just said it was on the lower time frame, that's all. It's exactly the same. Consolidation, remember? You said it.
Okay,
Consolidation, breakout. Same shit. Just lower time frame. Trust. Just give it 2 more minutes.
I can't believe I'm winning.
Trust.
Yeah, you are seeing the patterns already.
Are you in, Ace?
Yeah.
And long ago.
Nice. Go.
Oh my lord. I can't believe I'm winning.
You read it. Remember? I told you it was the same pattern as what you saw yesterday.
Yesterday, my runner could have gone 100 pips.
Oh my lord.
It kept on going. It didn't even stop. But, yeah.
But your
Why do
rules say you
profits
only
feel so
take
good?
10. Right, Kevin?
No, I'm talking about runner. You know how I closed the runner?
Yeah, but why did you close the runner?
Because I was like, it's alright.
This is so illegally legal.
I was like, it's okay. You got 30 pips, so I'm gonna just take it out. And I didn't expect it to keep on going. I don't know. Honestly, I didn't have the ability to foresee. Oh, come on, dude. He's playing with hearts, bro.
We're not out of the woods yet.
DJ breaks hearts, bro.
So
I feel like they're watching us.
see,
The market makers.
Yeah, the market makers are watching us.
see what the
Like,
structure is doing.
Let's get set on the call.
This area resistance, this area held it. Testing, it should continue.
High.
Just give it time. Just watch the structure on the lower time frames to cut. Check levels on the 30.
Is there any news today?
No, for London, no.
No news. Good then.
Yeah, Shane, I see this. I think you're talking about this area here, right? I see it. But the fact that
Oh, I know how this is gonna form.
yeah, the fact that I came off a higher time frame, I'm expecting the smaller time frame to break. So this is a 30-minute range for me. This was the exact same range that Raja drew up. Which he also said he expects it to break.
The next candle, next 15-minute candle should be the one that, you know, goes.
Yeah. Well, we're in it. We just gotta manage it. Either way, if this, like I said, if this 30 closes above, right? Leave it first. It should still be fine.
I don't. That was 3 minutes left.
Let me draw up that area first.
Wow.
Yeah, so far no news. No news.
Come on, just say vaccine and high success rate. That's all we need right now.
Yeah,
The 5
vaccine.
minutes looking good. Rejecting the
Yeah,
zone.
5 minute rejecting it quite a bit.
Need to credit the prophet.
I didn't do anything. I only can tell you where it breaks, and then we're gonna have problem.
But you just sound like you've been through this heaps, you know?
Yeah, this pullback doesn't really surprise me.
Wow.
I only can tell you that I will not trade anymore today.
Oh. Yeah, I think he's gonna tap the zone.
20-minute just closed, right? So close above all this. If it taps the zone, let's see. 15 pips. If it taps the zone and flips, right, it's gonna rocket.
Really?
Yeah, the daily is clean. 4 hour. Yeah, see the 4 hour candle already broke above that previous resistance. So it's all minor levels that we are breaking now. Other than that, it should be clean all the way till at least 800, right? 139.8. At least that's what I'm seeing.
Oh, GG looks like a dragon.
I think I'm planning to close.
Oh, it broke back in the zone.
It's in your zone. Mine is still
It broke back
holding.
into the zone. It hasn't closed yet though, so.
If it breaks the previous week low, right, just cut half. Because it's gonna come into the zone to test the previous support. So
Okay.
he's teasing. Look at the 15.
I'm gonna trust it, eh?
Look at the 15. But just manage.
It looks like yesterday.
Just manage. No, but yesterday it just went. Because it was a 1 hour solid support that formed. This was
30 minutes is also rejecting the zone.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna close after the break.
I thought you didn't want to enter yet, Kevin, until the 30 closed just now.
Wait, no. I was saying ideally, I would want a bearish candle to be created and then price to break the support, but it was still a good impulse entry. Not today. Maybe, yeah. Maybe I got into FOMO.
I'm going to commit to this trade because just now I didn't, and I regret it.
Yeah, but if you commit, you got to manage it still. So there's nothing wrong with cutting half when it breaks the wick low. Yeah, because that would mean that it broke the zone as well. So just watch it, yeah, because it still could come down.
Overall trend is bullish.
Who's that guy in another planet?
Hmm?
Who is that guy in another planet?
It's Alexi.
Screen is so small.
Let's see, Shane. Nice. So Freighter says don't copy. Let's see his trade. This has no words. What am I supposed to do with the lines? Freighter, tell me why not to enter, since you're saying don't enter. Like, the lines don't help everyone.
You win some, you lose some, you dim some.
He says, I wish the bearish candle wicks weren't so aggressive. Hmm.
Do you sometimes feel like you could have entered later on?
Me?
Yeah. Like, do you ever make trades and think about whether you should have delayed your entry?
So like for this one, I entered on the 15th, right? And then I knew it was at a high because I had to wait for it to break the wick. So I knew it was at a high, so I just sized down because I was waiting to stack anyway. But if I stack, it's roughly going to be the same area. Yeah. Yeah.
This is
There we go.
might
Flip.
have been a 30-minute retracement.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Look at that rejection of 400.
Oh,
Yep,
beautiful.
yep. Let it flip.
You know what just happened?
What?
I opened a web trader on my laptop, yeah.
Uh-huh.
And I fucking closed my position by accident. I was like, oh shit. But your analysis is still
Oh.
holding.
Quick,
I was like,
get
your
in.
analysis is still holding. I need to get back in now.
Get back in. You still got time.
Nah,
Yep.
I did. I got in at a better price as well, but like 2
Yep.
pips.
I stacked my other position. Let's go.
Ooh, profits.
That sucks when that happens. You accidentally close. What the heck?
Yeah, because I was spamming on my web trader to try and open up the thing in case I needed to
Oh,
manage it. Because I
when
don't have
this-
magic keys. And I fucking
this-
closed by accident.
When the candle high's been broken, it's just gonna go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, GJ.
All profits.
Let me
This
go
amount of
back on my
profits.
1 hour.
Been too long.
What am I running at right now? Okay. Let me zoom out.
Yeah, partials off at 139,700.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
Yeah.
Looking at it now.
700.
Yeah, 139,700.
Because it's quite clean. It's close above all of those wicks
Yeah,
as
I'm going
well.
to take out 80% off here. Then the rest, if he wants to go to 140, let it go. Doesn't matter. But 80 out here.
Yeah. I
try to aim for the round numbers. But I think 660 is around the area. 660, 700 is just around the area. So just set your TP according to the area that you're comfortable with. On the daily, right, it's, let's say we look at the 4-hour, the area where it's the previous wick high is around 140, 300. So it's just 4 hours clean till even 139,800. So there's potential there as well. Sherman, I was already out of the cells earlier, way earlier, and I think I said it. I said my stop loss hit on that trade. If it feels the weekly wick, that will be disgusting. All the way to 140, 300. That
What
would
is
be
it waiting
fun.
on?
What?
What is it waiting on?
I don't know. Hello?
SMS.
Hello, Boris.
Bobo, Bobo, where are you?
Oh, it's climbing.
Actually, we don't want Bobo to come right now, bro.
Yeah, we don't want. We want him to stay in lockdown.
He will start talking about lockdowns and how the economy's going to shit.
No Bobo. Bobo stay at home.
He'll take our stops then say
Nah.
something good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Bobo's listening, bro. It's like you little shit, talking shit about me. 5 minutes left to paper.
We just gotta hold it until like another hour.
Where is
Hold
the...
it forever and ever.
It doesn't have volume right now.
Yeah, man, it's... Where's my London volume?
It's over. We're experiencing the dip right now.
We need to wake up London right now.
This is that end of year London volume.
As long as this consolidation stays above the zone, I'm happy.
Yeah, as long as it stays above 400 for me. And
This is gonna dance for it.
I'm on the 5 minute watching, and it's like it does a small spike, but it looks a lot. So I'm like, hey, happy.
Come on, GJ. Give us the bee's knees.
Green Gambit, I'm not sure what block you're looking at, but you might want to show me. I don't see anything for the time being. There's no 4-hour block. So if you're scared to buy, then because it's going against your analysis, then don't buy it. Yeah, so some people were in and they already cut the trade because they knew that this resistance here at that small area of resistance on the left of the 30-minute is an issue, so they're already in and out of the trade. So if you're not comfortable, do not take the trade.
some people were in and then they cut the trade by accident, then re-entered.
Yeah, so don't take it if you're not comfortable. Just trust your own analysis.
Ooh. Not like
Man, I'm gonna fall asleep.
She's still holding this resistance. See, on the 15, there's resistance here, right?
I'm looking at it on the 5. I'm just watching whether it breaks that consolidation.
Oh.
It's trying to break into the zone. broken into the zone.
No, it hasn't. What zone do you have?
The 5. Is it not?
I don't know, I'm not looking at the 5, I'm just looking at the 15. Because I entered on the 30, right? So I gotta manage on the 15. So right now it's still holding. It hasn't broken the low, the previous candle lows.
Yeah, it has.
It hasn't.
A
Oh, I wanna
body.
scare myself.
Yeah, don't scare yourself. Stay off the lower time frames. Just go down one, remember? You told, I forgot who you told. Just go down one, don't go down too far.
I'm just going through them.
That's not. Ooh. I'm about to hit my stop loss.
Yeah, so if this breaks that previous candle low, I'm just gonna cut half.
Yeah.
Did it?
It already broke the previous low on FXCM. You wanna wonder.
Ooh, it's playing.
Yeah, I broke on my broker.
Oh,
Ooh, it's coming in. I closed half already.
same.
Same.
Let's see.
I'm gonna let the 1 hour close.
Yeah. Yeah, if the 1 hour closes below, right? Then he might just come back into the range. Could this be creating a range for the 1 hour to do what? Go up or down? You mean leaving a wick for the 1 hour, the next 1 hour candle to fill, Himat?
Yeah, that's why I say wait for the 1 hour to close.
Maybe it has to close up. This 1 hour also has to close above.
Yeah. If it closes in the zone, I'm out.
Yeah, if it closes below this, then I'll just cut the entire trade because I don't like it. Because it's gonna done some more. Then I'll wait till, because I'll be holding the stream later on for the Zoom people for New York. Then I'll come back then. There is no volume. What the hell?
Still believe.
Yeah, that's why I still have half.
Every time it turns bullish, you like still believe.
Ah, peak.
Hmm.
You like strike.
I love this. I love this way too much.
You cut half already, right?
No,
You haven't cut?
I haven't.
Bro.
Did you got half?
No, he
Look at
didn't.
this cowboy. Look at this cowboy.
I'm fully committed. I'm fully committed.
No, bro.
That's not
I
how it
don't be like that,
works,
bro.
No, that's what I'm saying.
bro.
Like,
Manage. You're not playing to be right. You're playing to.
You know what? You know what? He's got a small position. That's why.
No, but it still defeats.
0.01.
He entered with half, so that's why he hasn't cut off.
You can
Yeah,
cut
man.
half, bro. You do 0.01.
I'll join you guys in a minute.
Hey, tell us, what position did your dad take? Did he take any position?
No, he
No, we
trades
didn't.
very small. He trades very small, like 10-cent lots.
I don't get why you don't cut Ace. Because if you're looking at the 5 minute, right, you already broke. Bro.
Bro,
Yeah, I just cut some.
bro.
I just cut some when it broke.
I'm about to close, bro.
I've
This
closed.
is hurting. This is hurting, bro. Is it worth waiting to close?
Nah, I listened. Don't worry, I closed it. You'll scared me out of my position.
No, we
There's
didn't. It makes sense. You cut. What the hell?
Wait, there's still a possibility for price.
Yeah, if this flies up, I'm just like,
No, it flies up, then just add back your position. But right now, you gotta
Wait.
reduce your risk.
Wait,
That's
did
what
you
I'm
cut the
thinking
whole
too.
thing? Did you cut the whole thing?
No, he cut half.
Oh, okay, okay.
I think even if price break closes bearish, there could be a possibility of price creating a support, and then could be a possibility for that.
Ooh, the 5 minute flip bullish.
Yeah, I doubt price turn bullish at this point.
My trading view is glitched. It's saying, my trading view is saying that the 5 minute closes in 38 minutes. It's glitched.
It's glitched. There's too much money pouring from your account into the market. Ryan, the question is, how do you know where the high is? Because I took it based on support forming, that's all. I don't like calling tops and bottoms because no one knows where the high is. Like, if you can let me know how you know this is a high, then I won't trade it.
Just when Ace cut his trade in half, decided to go bullish.
Yeah, the 30 minutes starting to look a lot like it's rejecting off 400 now.
15 rejected as well.
I'm gonna wait for the hour close before I even consider stacking back the half that I cut.
Honestly, is there even a possibility for price to go up? In the 15 minutes, it doesn't look good. Oh.
You know what's the next candle gonna be like?
Nope.
Would it just bounce off from here? I mean, in terms of like candle formations.
What I wanna see is some sort of lower wick first. To be honest, maybe retest 400, maybe a little bit deeper, and then push up for the rest of the hour.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe something like a wick and then bullish. Really ugly candle.
Yeah, exactly.
I drew it wrongly,
That's
but
all good.
yeah, you get it. Because if this closes bearish, then all we want is the next candle to close bullish to continue higher, right? Because that's a new support after this breakout.
I think we all just got in really, really early. Because now it's not even volume time.
When we entered, it was London Open volume.
Yeah, it just died out really quickly.
It just didn't have volume today.
It just didn't have enough volume.
Yeah.
I was like, oh man, we used so much money yesterday. Let's just take it easy today.
Honestly, I might add.
I'm gonna stack.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stack on the flip.
I think I'm gonna stack.
$45 seconds.
Imagine it just closed back in the range in the last 5 seconds.
Cut.
1 minute left, buddy. Unless some crazy news comes out. Whoa.
Yeah, official ABIS. If you're saying why would I trade something like this, why would you not trade something like this? So just
here we come.
let me know.
Give me my lower wick. Give me my lower wick.
So I'm not saying I'm 100% right all the time, but if you guys see something else, just let me know. Because this whole community is about sharing, right? But if you guys just say this is a high, don't buy, it doesn't even help anybody.
Send the chart.
Yeah.
Keyword
Did you guys
chart.
stack up?
Yes.
Yeah.
At what stage?
Right
Right
now.
when it broke the, right when it broke the to the upside.
Okay.
Basically on the new candle, but I was waiting for it to break the high. So
It would be
I'm gonna
nice
wait
if it
for a
creates a
low
lower
wick and
wick.
dip.
It's gonna create a lower wick.
How deep?
Because it's a 1 hour candle that broke. Broke and closed above. So it might need to come down to the zone and then go up again.
Where are your stops?
Yeah.
Same area. I didn't stack yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, same. I've got this remaining position cut half off in case it just decides to go to the moon. But
and
yeah, it's not looking good to stack it yet for me.
Yeah, same.
But it's considered broken out the zone, right? I mean, where else is it gonna go?
The 1 hour, yes.
a little bit just not worth it.
I feel like it's reacting in a very bullish manner. The 4 hours broken the previous 4-hour candle as well.
It's a high in the sense that it is at the high form during Asian session, okay. But this does not mean don't trade it now. Yeah. So if you explain it like that, then yeah, I see the point. But if you just tell me it's at a high, I don't get it. Like, you gotta explain, man, guys.
Wouldn't it makes sense that it's gonna test the high, right?
Yeah.
Gonna test the high to the left. There's a little friend over there.
Yeah, here. This Asian high, right? So like what Kevin is saying, this is the Asian high. So if this is the first breakout out of the Asian high. So usually price does a retest to the Asian high and low. I mean, price is already at high. It's gonna pull back if it wants to go high. That could also be a false breakout. Okay. On the which time frame?
It was gonna reject. Why would it be sticking up here all day?
Yeah, it's just like you could see the 30-minute. It went bearish and then it came back like it rejected basically.
Yeah, that means that the body is also so small, so the
The
bears are weak.
Sells are not strong.
There's weak sudden like volume.
Yeah, there's no volume.
Yeah. One of those days.
We just have to hold it.
Just leave it first. You stack the same position or the original size?
Oh, me? Yeah, original size.
Oh.
When I cut half, I just added that half. Basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
I feel like my first month in live, I made the most profits. I felt like because I was like super ballsy. I'm like, I'll take this trade, I'll take that trade, like whatever. If I see a good setup, I'll take it.
Exactly.
Now I'm just like scared.
He just sees a bullish candle, he takes it.
Be right back. I'm gonna get some water.
It's a good sign that we closed above on the 1 hour.
Come on, get it. And I'm trying to go to sleep. Everyone's just trying to go good.
Sleep is for the weak.
Shut up. Sleep is for
Facts.
You need sleep. It's part of nature.
Sacrifice your sleep for freedom.
For what freedom? I'm already free. I'm just honestly like you need to have good sleep so you can function good. I would rather have a quality over quantity of time and energy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. Don't we all? Yes, we all expect the same thing.
Yeah, I don't mess around with my sleep. Try to sleep at least 8 hours.
Ooh, come on, GJ.
Let's go. It's breaking. Eleanor.
That's the bee's knees.
Right when he came back, like, okay, Eleanor's here. Rocket ship.
What's up?
Come on.
Bull margin. Alas. At long last.
I see I will not get a chance to stack my position. It's okay.
Stack it now. Do it now.
It flipped, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I was on my phone. Fuck's sake.
Now or never, Eleanor.
I'm already in.
Add some more.
Yeah, I added.
I'm big on this trade.
I added the half that I cut.
Oh.
Over leverage.
This is why I shouldn't have cut the 50% just now, you know.
No, it's not true. You gotta cut it. No. You never know when this will happen.
Yeah, you're right.
Because we still have this area, we haven't cleared it yet. This stupid little box here.
Just have a good feeling.
Reducing risk and
yeah, we haven't cleared it, so just gotta be safe. I think once it breaks above this level, then we have cleaner traffic going up to 700. Now we just need to break.
yeah, honestly, I'm worried about the trade. 1 hour.
Yeah, so those that are worried do like what Scarlett's doing, just enter above. Because this zone, somehow, it's like the Great Wall of China.
It looks ripe.
Doesn't want to break yet. Great Wall of China.
So this is the last hour for the 4 hour right now.
The daily looks nice. Look at the daily.
Like how 15-minute and stuff. Support is created. And
Yo, it's going.
So the 15 form support flipped. So now this one needs to close above that minor zone. So I'm watching it.
Like a hawk.
The thing that could be better on the 15 is this one had no top wick, so it might not break the zone yet. Yep, just telling you because it's gonna pull back. It's just like yesterday's New York session, it was doing a very, very slow climb.
I've seen it do it on Asian session too, where you would need like a lot of patience, but price would just keep on going steadily on a trend, but it's not like there's no volume.
Looking at 30, right? If they can't candle close like that, isn't that a support? Another candle should, the next 30-minute candle should continue.
Wait, sorry. What? This is support?
30-minute.
No. It's floating.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of floating, so it's not really strong.
Yeah, I think we're cleared.
Has it rejected the zone before?
This zone?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. This previous candles, none of them closed above.
Okay. Because I look at higher time frame, like the daily, thinking, where else would it go?
Yeah.
It just comes straight down.
Then then life sucks.
Probability.
Ooh.
Not a stress-free trade.
This candle has 43 minutes left. 1 hour candle. Any day now, DJ.
Maybe tomorrow.
I feel like leaving here and just coming back like an hour later. What's the potential if it fills the wick?
Yeah, it's there because it would still come back and test.
Feel like we're playing with fire here.
Is it a good idea to move stops below the previous 15-minute candle? So if you move it there, it's gonna get stopped. That's all I think. So right now, GJ is he's just moving sideways, guys. So if you're anxious in this trade, right, please size down. Because if you're anxious in it, it means that you went in too large. And the setup wasn't like something that you like. So just size down. But I feel like if you're squeezing the stop loss, right, and you put it here, then the trade is definitely going to get stopped. Like 80% chance it will get stopped, Jess. So right now I'm watching for price to hold this area. That's why my stop loss is still below. Like I'm not... If it breaks below like how this candle did, then I just cut half. But the rest of it is above the area, so I'm just leaving it. If it wants to print sideways, it just has to print sideways until we move. Yeah, so the 4-hour candle is going to close bullish in the next 40 minutes. Unless it flips so far down for like, what's this? For 30 pips down in the next 40 minutes. If not, then it will close bullish higher than the previous resistance on this area here and this area here. So as long as it closes above, the next 4-hour candle will do a pullback and then continue higher to clear these two areas here.
When the price action makes sense, but the volume died out too quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah. What do I think with the 4-hour no lower wick? Honestly, I don't think anything actually. Because if let's say this candle wanted to come down, right? This 4-hour candle, but it didn't even manage to push down lower than previous candles, then it should still want to continue up. But right now, it's just struggling. So I'm just reading it candle by candle. As long as it closes above, I still stay in my trade.
Which time frame are you looking at?
The 4. Yeah.
Yeah, as long as it stay above that 4-hour weekly support.
Yeah.
They come down, create support, then we should go through.
Why did you short, weirdo? Because he rejected this minor zone.
Ooh, the 1 hour is coming down.
Hmm.
I'm gonna wait for this 4-hour close. Oh, it's broken in. You have closed half at this point.
Hang on. Yeah, because it broke below that support here on the 15. Yep.
It's pulling back up though.
Doesn't matter. I'm not going to add on into this trade anymore. It's not moving as easily as you want it to.
Yeah. Oh, it is what it is.
Abis, you're calling buy GBP AUD blind like that. At least send the chart if you want the guys to buy it. So Jess, if that's your rule, right, when you want to cut here, then yeah, you gotta stick to the rule. This area here, if you're supposed to cut it, you're supposed to cut it. So
GJ is not our friend today.
not really defining rules. What's your rules, Jess? Right guys, I'm ending the stream in half an hour, yeah? Because I have another stream later on.
I'm off as well, guys. I'm just gonna leave this trade and let it run and see what happens. But I'll probably be on Roger's stream tonight. New York session. Ace, you gonna be there?
Yeah.
Cool. I'll see you there, man.
Sweet.
See you guys. Good luck.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah.
It's gone. I
Looks
think
like
the buyer's
trade's
out the
gonna end
window.
soon.
Yep.
Probably lower the previous 5 minutes. Oh, well.
No, I'm out. No way I'm holding this.
Thanks, weirdo.
Alright. Hey, thanks, Al.
Bye, guys.
See ya.
Oh, stop loss.
Bye.
See you guys.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if this was a... If this flips now, I'm going to be like, oh my god, what the fuck just happened? Doesn't matter, I'm not entering a trade anymore in this session. No, Ryan, I really don't get what you mean. Because like I said, this is... And what Kevin said, right? This is not a high, it's just there was resistance here, that's why.
Come on, flip bullish.
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
So if you want, you just send all the screenshots of the trades that I took. Where I've been making this mistake. Maybe you're seeing something that I don't see. Just send it to me on IG. Because clearly I'm not seeing something that you're seeing.
I don't think there was really anything wrong with this, to be honest. Because we got a 30-minute close and a 1 hour close above 400 at least.
Yeah.
It was around London time. It wasn't around our real like kills on time, which is like after 10 a.m. GMT, where nothing happens usually. Just taking it, anticipating the volume to push up. It's just the volume for some reason dissipated very early today.
Yeah.
There was not a lot of volume today at all.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with this trade. Price action made sense, just not volume.
Yeah, unless this minor area is not that minor after all.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Wait, is anyone speaking?
Hmm?
I'm gonna see if anyone's speaking right now, or if this is just a reaction.
No, I don't see anything, that's why. Sunek's on.
That might be why.
But he's positive.
Wait, what's he said? Determined the UK. Oh.
Yeah. I don't
Okay,
think...
so it's just a reaction then.
Yeah, I don't think it's news. He's just voicing hopes. Yeah. think the price has not broken the Asian high yet, that's why. This area here. Because last time when I used to trade my previous strategy, right, they used the Asian high, so every time price breaks out of the Asian high, the first break always comes back to test. Always, like 90% of the time. So in this case, I think it didn't even break the Asian high, so that's the issue. If this candle closed above, then yeah, we'll be fine, but this, nothing closed above yet. So that's why I think it's still trying to push higher. Nah, I'm not gonna take any trades now. I'm just keeping my bullets for later on. So once I take a loss in one session, right, I don't go at it again, cause it's just weird. If you get pulled back to 138.7 to 138.8, we'll have to take a closer look for a buy. 38.7 and 38.8. This area here. This area here, okay. Freighter, are you a swing trader? This range is super big. Like, I would be able to take an entry coming down somehow to this area where you sit. So this range is big though. Why don't you trade it down? What's happening to Bitcoin? Ooh, it's going up. Do I invest in crypto? No. I only have that one small coin that Mark gave me. Probably 4 hour is not ready for a long. Maybe. So see where this 4 hour closes. If it closes above, then yeah, the probabilities of it going higher to fill these clean candles might be there. But right now, I'm not trading this session anymore. Ooh, whoa, what the hell is this? What? Is this the supply zone? Mario? Because if you're, so that was a daily chart, right? But if you look at this range here, this is tradable for us. 44 is a lot of pips for us, so I think we trade slightly different. Yeah, this, I mean, this support is, I don't know. I'm glad you caught the trade, but the support looks a bit off to me, because if you were drawing it based on previous support, then it should be here, no? Then that would look like resistance. Yeah, but then again, you're up, so. So MXC, if you're trading it long, right? 189. Yeah, so see how Freighter had his resistance here at 189. So you might want to look out for it as well, since you guys are trading the same pair.
To this day, my computer's still loading.
Maybe you need to bring it to the Apple shop already.
Yeah, maybe.
Yo, good morning.
Hey
everyone.
Guala, I'm about to go off.
Oh
Came at the
shit, it's
wrong time.
Guala!
That's interesting. Yeah, I'm not trading. I was just making analysis for Ripple.
Mm.
Yeah, bought some on Coinbase, you know.
You're holding it, Guala.
Yeah, but not on my broker, just on Coinbase.
Yeah, me too, but I didn't bought enough, man.
Yeah, I bought from last year already, bro. Like 2 years ago. At like
I got it
13
at
cents.
19 cents.
My cheapest one is 13 cents.
Wow, man.
13, 25, 20, 29, 35. Yesterday I bought fucking, yeah, man.
Today went up again.
It's just retracing though. It's about to rest right now.
But Bitcoin is at all-time highs, more or less.
Yeah, I don't look at
I thought we
Bitcoin.
would get to $1 at least.
I mean, we might end of the week Sure, I'm looking at it. I'm open, but I'm looking at it. You know, 2 to 3
Yeah.
years from now, when it hits $100, be a millionaire.
Really,
Be a Ripple millionaire. Come visit you. Build apartments in your country. Yeah, we're having a retracement though. BP still holding Neo?
Oh, I didn't buy any.
Oh. Yeah, I did. So, what's been going on in the markets? I haven't followed it for like 2 weeks.
It's just a lot of ranging, and the volume
Yeah.
is honestly a lot lesser.
Really?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, I'll just take a
really
break.
choppy.
I'll take a break till January. I'll be back on like the 2nd of January. I withdrew most of my money for this year. I may come back January stronger than ever. Boom, boom. Hitting the markets up like, what's up, homie? What's up, GJ? Boom, boom, boom. Got him.
The 1 hour is starting to look like it faked out.
GJ. Oh, wow. GJ was choppy, yeah? Oh, wow, this is disgusting. What the heck?
Yeah, we got caught in the longs.
Wow. I just opened up my chart. I see from the 13th of November, it chopped all the way until the 18th. Then it dropped like 80 pips. And then it chopped from the 19th to the 23rd to yesterday. 22nd. Wow. Now it's on a bull run. Just reached resistance. Isn't that a
beep?
Dookie.
Yeah.
Bunch of dookie, man.
Yeah.
I ass rejecting that. Bad. And this 4-hour closes in 9 minutes. Oh, if this 4-hour candle flips bearish, correction.
I'm gonna be so pissed off.
Why?
I took shots earlier, I got stopped. Then when it broke above, on the 1 hour I took longs and I got stopped again. So angry.
Because that new 4-hour, it hasn't got a down week.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If this 4-hour turns bearish, oh, we're correcting that whole move. That's free money. But I'm not trading.
Yeah.
And it exactly doesn't have a wick to the downside.
Yeah,
oh,
that
that's
was
free
trouble.
money all the way down to 138.327. I'm not
Yeah,
trading.
we need a retracement on yen pairs.
Yeah, was this some? I haven't been following nothing, so I don't know if it's news. Only news I've been following is the Bitcoin news, because they might turn into a what's that stuff called? ETF or something?
ETF, yeah.
Yeah, that's the only thing I've been following, or build my portfolio for next year.
If it corrects down to 300, that would be disgusting today.
300.
Yeah, 138, 300. That's like almost 90 pips.
I see it coming down for sure.
Yeah.
In that area.
Hey, just do
there
a
you
fib.
have your lower high.
This
Yeah, exactly.
Just do
I
a
did
fib.
the fib as well. Yep.
On what? What flip?
Fib.
Oh.
Maybe like the 50.
On the low to the high. Yeah. 138.60 at least.
You gotta think, you still got this whole move down here to 136, 164 on the 4 hour. That's all imbalance that still needs to get
Yeah.
built up. I'm looking, if I'm looking to buy right there. Because if Hello Kitty was here, he'll tell you that's that order block. That's that spike, that's that liquidity grab and shoot back up right there.
Yeah. He took shots with me just now as well. Because we're trading the blocks, but then we got stopped. Then he left, like, he's off the charts.
That blocks.
Yeah. I took one.
What was on a 1 hour or 30 minute?
No, I took a 5-minute entry. So
wow.
Yeah. So I was literally here, like somewhere here. I entered short, and then it flipped back, and then it got my stop.
Oh wow. Yeah. That's not fun.
Yeah.
Kind of miss trading though. I be scratching to trade. I'd just be on my MetaTrader on my phone, just looking. I'm not doing it. I think you're about to get that 4 hour flip, and I'd sell it. Make this be the last trade of the day. New York session is about to open. About 3 hours. 11. Okay, this was a New York push or London push. Oh, it didn't even do nothing. This was an Asian push. No. London push this morning. Oh. 24. Oh, that ain't even did nothing. Oh, wow.
Wow. If this candle flips now.
It's flipping. I'd close out your buying positions.
No, I'm already out. I got stopped.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, buying's over with.
Yeah. Because originally I was short bias, and then, yeah, basically, whatever. I'm gonna wait till the next session.
That'd be some BS if it doesn't flip bearish.
Then it's gonna dance here. That's the worst.
Then you're ranging all New York session until like the end of New York, and then you're gonna get that spike down.
Yeah. The trade I took just now, it was long. Oh, where's my chart? Hang on. I took this one long, so on the 30, right? It broke out, closed above all on the 15 first, sorry. So 15 closed, broke out of all these areas of consolidation here. So when it flipped bullish on this candle here, right, I took it long. And then the next candle did this rubbish, and when it broke below the lows, I cut half. Then after that, I waited for the 1 hour to close, entered long when it flipped bullish again, and then I got stopped out. So
oh wow, look at gold. Wow, goodness gracious, that stuff tanked. I think
gold? What's happening on gold? Oh, what happened?
Yeah, you know what's funny? We're about to go to the jeweler store today.
Why?
So I might buy some presents.
Oh.
So he better not try to come at me with high prices, cause I'm gonna pull up the charts on him. Like, look, bro, can't finesse a finesser, homie. Give it to me straight. I want retail prices on your gold right now, just cause you try to finesse me, bro. Cause they do try to finesse you all the time. Those jewelers, they think you don't know what you're talking about. Like you don't know the price of gold. Weirdos.
Yeah. Then they'll tell you that they bought it high. But that's
Yeah,
their
they don't
problem,
know.
right?
They don't know I was selling gold the
That's
whole
their
time.
problem.
Yeah.
Why they buying at resistance? Dickheads, man.
Yeah. It ain't my fault you don't know. It's not my fault you don't know how to read your charts on gold.
Yeah. Actually, I think
not.
there's a New York and London MT4 indicator. You just gotta Google it. I believe there is. I saw it before. Yesterday around 3 to 4, there's a huge move. Oh, is that why it moved? Trump is going after everyone. He's so entertaining.
Trump needs to just Trump needs to just freaking call it quits, man. He's just doing everything, and that man's crazy. That man needs to just sit down, drink wine, and go to sleep for the rest of his life.
When is Thanksgiving again in the US?
27th.
November?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's my mom's birthday as well.
Oh, this Friday. Okay, okay.
That's why everything's. Nah, could that be a reason why everything's bullish? Because of Thanksgiving?
It's more like, why is everything ranging?
Everything's. I mean, like my stocks portfolio is bullish. My crypto portfolio is bullish. I come on GJ, bullish. I mean, it did range, but everything's just bullish. It's weird.
Broke resistance, came back to test. Ooh, nice trade, Jack. Thursday or Friday?
That's a nice trade.
Yeah, GA, right? Someone
That's
just
a nice trade.
Yeah, someone earlier in the chat was like, sell GA, and then I'm like, how? Just click sell.
Gulag traders. Oh, there's a bank holiday today as well. Wow.
Today? What? No. Friday, Thursday. Thanksgiving's Thursday.
Oh, yeah. I'm looking. Yeah. My bad. That's Thursday. We're only
Oh
Tuesday.
man, no wonder.
Yeah, I think that's it for GJ. I think it's retracing. About the range up in here to. Oh wow, you could have caught that on the 5-minute real smooth. You'd have been up 22 pips.
Which one, GA?
GJ. Just looking at it now. You would have been up. That double top here so nicely. Wow.
Yeah. So you know the block, like I've been testing the blocks on my end, right? This whole area, when this rejected like that, I would have immediately sold it. But I was taking an L just now. So the entry would have been something.
5 minutes. That's just telling you to sell right there. Look at that. It just came down. It's a perfect double top pattern. It even reached TP. Yeah, you would have probably had like a 10 pip stop loss.
No, 5.
And
just 5 is enough.
Oh Jesus Christ, that's a scalp.
Yeah.
That is a scalp.
Yeah. So
You
I've been trying to work on
now.
this. Yeah. But the thing about GJ these 2 weeks, right, is I've realized you can't go really far. So like there isn't even like that 20-30 pip move anymore. Not really very often. Not even on the 4-hour close or London Open. Like grab like 20 to 30.
On crack, isn't it? DJ's really on crack, getting ready for 2021. That's what it's really doing, I think. I haven't traded. I mean, I don't know. Boom, sell it right now. Thank me later.
I would wait for it to come back though. It's gonna come back.
Nah, it's Sell it now. I'm about to paper trade. Leave it on there.
It's gonna come back here. This area here. See my screen?
No, I'm on my screen real quick. Hold on. Okay, I got it. Entry right here. 8 pip stop loss.
The yellow box.
15 pip gain. Okay, let's see what you're doing.
Hang on.
That's 5 minute. No, I was looking on 5
No,
minute.
15. Yeah, it's the same thing. Same areas. It's gonna come back into the area, tap, and then come down. So on the 5, right? You know how you said earlier about the imbalance? It's the same area, and then you have the block on top. So every time I see shit like that happening, right? This is the block. It goes right back up to test the area. So I think it's going like this into the block, either here. If not, it'll be inside here, and then it'll come down. But this will be later.
I got the paper trade. I entered it right here. All right, stop losses here. TP here. Paper trade.
Yeah.
This 5 minute structure's making lower highs.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so 8 pip stop for a how many pip gain? What was that? 15. 15.3. The paper trades in profit already. Actually, it's kind of funny. No confirmations, 0 confirmations. Just off 5 minute reaction. Oh goodness gracious. Look at that wick. Oh goodness, XRP is crashing down. Oh wow. Oh goodness gracious.
What are you looking at?
On the 30 minute.
Gold?
No, Ripple.
Oh.
The 4 hour engulfed. We're about to retrace. That's good though, because I'm planning on buying some more. I'm convinced that this will go to $100 in about 3 to 4 years.
Is Ripple that what's that? Facebook's coin? No, right?
No. Ripple's
What's Facebook's coin? Supposed coin supposed to be called?
I don't know.
I remember that there was a period of time they wanted to launch a coin, right?
Libra.
Oh yes.
Let me look on that XRP portfolio, see what it's talking about.
Yeah, anyway, so YouTube, I'm gonna end the stream, so I'm not taking any trades now. For the Zoom people, I'll come back on later, so that'll be 12:30 p.m. Right, so it's a separate Zoom link. Check the chat, yeah. check Discord. Okay, so happy trading. Slow now, please chill. Right, see you all tomorrow.
I will see you guys someday.
See you guys someday.